Good morning, students. Today also we are starting with the statement sums of linear equations. So in a linear equation, first of all, we have to read the question carefully and we have to understand the question carefully. Because if we read and understand the question, then only we'll able to make the equation. Like the question with us is divide 34 into 2 parts. Divide 34 into 2 parts such that divide 34 into 2 parts such that 4 by 7th of one part is equal to 2 by 5th of the other. So let one part be x, and we have to divide 34. Therefore second part be 34 minus x. He says that the 4/7 of first is equal to 2/5 of second. So this is 4x by 7 is equal to 68 minus 2x by 5. Cross multiply, 20x is equal to 68 into 7 minus 14x. So this will be 34x is equal to 68 into 7. X is equal to there is no need to multiply these numbers. We can leave it as it is because we have not reached the final result, so it will save our time and the calculation. So first part will be 34, 14, and second part will be 34 minus 14 is 2. So even if we want to check, we can check that how is it. Numerator fraction is 4 less than the denominator. The numerator of fraction is 4 less than the denominator. If 1 is added to both, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. Numerator fraction is 4 less than. So we have to see numerator is 4 less than. So let the denominator be x. Numerator will be x minus 4. Fraction will be x minus 4 by x. According to question, if 1 is added to both, so x minus 4 plus 1, x plus 1, it becomes 1 by 2. Read every question carefully, right? And then accordingly you solve the sum. 1 by 2. Cross multiply, 2 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 1. 2x minus 6 is equal to x plus 1. So x is equal to 7. So denominator is 7 and numerator is 7 minus 4 3. Fraction is 3 by 7. If we want to check, we can check also on this. Another question. Subhash has 34 paisa. Subhash has A has rupees 34 in form of 25 paisa and 50 paisa coins. If the total number of coins, if the number of 25 paisa coins be twice the 50 paisa coin, twice the 50 paisa coin, find how many coins, find how many coins each kind of does A has. Simple. Let 50 paisa coins be X. So 25 paisa coins will be, he says that the 25 paisa coins will be twice of 50 paisa coins. So it will be 2x. Value, if I has x coins of 50 paisa, value will be 50 into x, 25 into 2x is equal to 3400. Because it was paisa, I have changed paisa into rupees. So 100x is equal to 3400, x is equal to 34. X means 50 paisa coins is 34, 25 paisa coins will be 34 into 2, 60. Next question. You have to read it carefully and slowly. That's it. After 12 years, I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. Find my present age. Let my present age be X. So read the question. After 12 years, after 12 years, I will be X plus 12. And 3 times as old 4 years ago. 4 years ago, I was X minus 4. What is the relationship? Relationship that after 12 years, I will be 3 times. After 12 years, I will be 3 times as I was 4 years ago. So X plus 12 is equal to 3x minus 12. So x minus 3x is equal to minus 12 minus 2x is equal to minus 24, x is equal to 12 years. So my present age is 12 years. Question number 5. Next question is, an altitude of a triangle is an altitude of a triangle is 5/3 of its base. If the altitude is increased by 4 and base is decreased by 2 centimeter, the area of triangle would remain the same. Find the base and the altitude of triangle. Let the altitude of a triangle is 5/3 of the base. Let the base of triangle is x and altitude is 5/3. Altitude is 5/3 x. Area will be half into x into 5/3 x. Second, he says that if the altitude is increased by 4, new altitude 5/3x plus 4, and base is decreased by 2. Base is decreased by 2, the area 5/3x plus 4 and 2x minus 2 is equal to half into x into 5/3x. Half is cancelled. So this is 5/3x square minus 10/3x plus 4x minus 8, 5/3x square. This is cancelled. So minus 10/3 plus 4x is equal to 8. So 3 is LCM. Minus 10x plus 12x is equal to 8. 2x by 3 is equal to 8. X is equal to 3 into 8 by 2, 4, 12. So the base is 12 centimeter. Altitude is 5/3 of 12. This is 420 centimeter. So this is all for